Okay, this is an art video shackle. This is a shackle drawing of a wave. This is on canvas, white canvas, on OSB board. Canvas on OSB oriented stand board. This is how I get this cross hatch strange pattern bear down, and the OSB come through. This technique by the masters from centuries ago. All use OSB, most all use OSB board to draw on. This is, so I show you now, I'm not professional artist, but I am some type of artist. I am working on this now, my largest ever shackle. I have just now started to pick my lines for the big focus point. One focus point. These have swoopy joue. Swoopy joue. In French we say les swoop de joue. And the swoop de elle est chaud. We shall see. Okay, so now your art teacher will not tell you these obscure techniques. They will frown upon them. They may frown upon me. They may frown. They just frowny people. I know these art teachers. You know them. They're frowning. So anyway, they tell you do not use a big chunk of old cotton, raggy cotton. Do not use that to smear your stuff around. Do not do that. Do not use big giant eraser like you just got out of your lunchbox. Do not. They will tell you do not. Do not use your fingers smear around. They don't know. Okay, so anyway, that's what I do tonight. Later. 3 more beer. Now, I show you now what I worked on tonight. This I start my first line tonight. Now look already. No, 1 hour. Even maybe so. If I be a rich man. No. So anyway, I have grand plan. I have a drawn a mini sketch, and look at this one. It's a good sketch. So anyway, here we go. I try so hard. Anyway, I show you some technique I use. This, a big choco stick. You know this. If you're a choco person, you know this choco stick. You did like this. Then, watch. Oh, very faint. Very light touch. Like a feta. Oh, incredible. Look, it's so lifelike and real. This is how the masters used to do in Tokyo. So, these are my techniques. I don't know any good technique. I'm sorry, I can't help you. This is a waste of time. But anyway, this is what I do. I have a good time. I sit out here. What, especially with the epidemic. Wait, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? You stuck at home. You gotta do to get some. These are hard to find. Cotton swab sold out at store now. Now no cotton swab, no toilet paper, no cotton swab. These I have for 4 years. Incredible. The price worth $25. Even all dirty like this. Incredible. So hopefully this a famous great art video for you. Will help you out a lot. You make you famous. These. Eraser, look, incredible. Don't touch it with your fingers. Whatever you do, incredible. Incredible, no way to do technique. That is incredible bad technique. There you have it. These are... So, that's it. Finish. 5,000 euro. 6,000. Okay. Deal. Good luck. Ganbate. Kudasai.